Next is the types of research based on the data being gathered. And we have here like the two main uh, types, which is qualitative and quantitative research. So qualitative research is very much used in the humanities or in sociology, and it gathers data in textual forms because uh, yung mga data po is gathered through personal interviews. Okay? And this explores ideas or formulates a hypothesis or a theory out of it. Okay? While on the other hand, quantitative research is the research where you obtain data and express it in terms of numbers and illustrate your data in graphs or in tables. And the main difference between qualitative research and quantitative research is that quantitative research is often used to test theory and hypotheses. And you can tell that a research would be qualitative or quantitative depending on the treatment. So if you're trying to explore or develop a theory, that's in the realm of qualitative research. When While on the other hand, if you're trying to like test that theory or hypothesis, then now you will now um, move towards quantitative research. But right now, meron din pong tinatawag na mixed method research, which combines like the essential features of qualitative and quantitative research into solving a specific research question. But that's uh, basically just a combination of these two. Okay. So here is like a side by side comparison of qualitative and quantitative research. So the in terms of the focus, uh, the qualitative research focuses on the quality and meaning of the experience because you're actually talking to your respondents and you're taking note of the different qualities of that phenomenon uh, from the eyes of your interviewee or your subject. While on the other hand, quantitative research is um, deals with quantity, frequency, kung how often, and the magnitude of the data. Okay? And in terms of the research goals, qualitative research is often used to understand, describe, and discover this specific phenomenon or this research question that you are asking. While quantitative research would oftentimes test, control, and correlate your variables. And in terms of research design, uh, qualitative research is flexible, evolving, and emergent. Kasi when you're doing like one-to-one interviews or ethnographic studies, merong mga questions that arise from those interviews that you can like explore on the spot. So very flexible yung research design. And I'm not very familiar with this, but ganito po yung nature niya. While in quantitative research, the research design would be very controlled, very structured, and predetermined. So hindi tayo pwedeng mag-deviate from the experimental design. Ayun. Now in terms of data collection, uh, sa qualitative research po, the researcher is the instrument. So all the data is personally gathered by the researcher, and this often would just involve yung data na kayang i-handle nung researcher. It depends on his capabilities and capacities. And while on the other hand, the quantitative research makes use of instruments, tests, and surveys to collect data in the form of numbers or numerical figures. Okay?